How much time do you spend sitting at a desk or on a sofa or just laying in bed staring at your phone? Most of us spend way too much time doing this, including me. But to stay sane and healthy, I personally like to go to the gym maybe 4 or 5 times a week. It's my reset button. But everyone's routine looks a little bit different. So, how do you stay fit? Maybe you hate the gym, or maybe you prefer team sports. Today, we're looking at 3 different stories to help you describe your routine in English. We'll look at the vocabulary of sports, and we'll also talk a little bit about the difference between go, do, and play when we talk about sports and physical activity. First, let's meet a student who loves to stay active. I've always been a very active person. In high school, I played football on the school football field. But now I want to try something different. Last month, I joined a local basketball club. I'm part of a team that practices on a court twice a week. It's very competitive, which I love. I also want to go cycling on the weekends, but I need to buy some new gear and sneakers first. I hope to improve my stamina so I can eventually try long distance racing. It sounds exhausting, but very energizing. Now, this one hits close to home for anyone who works 9 to 5. Let's listen to an office worker.
I work in an office, so I'm quite sedentary during the day. To stay in shape, I have a membership at a gym near my house. I go there 3 times a week. When I arrive, I change in the locker room and start to warm up on the treadmill. I usually jog for 10 minutes and then lift weights or use dumbbells. My personal trainer helps me to stay motivated so I don't give up. After an intense workout, my muscles often feel sore or stiff, but I know it's important to stay consistent and to burn calories.
Finally, fitness isn't just about heavy weights. It's about longevity. This is how an older person might describe their fitness or exercise routine.
My doctor told me that I need to keep fit to protect my heart. She recommended that I avoid being out of shape by doing moderate exercise. Now, I go for a brisk walk on the running track every other day. I also do yoga at home. I bought a comfortable yoga mat so I can stretch and stay flexible. It's important to breathe deeply during the movements. I also go swimming in the local pool once a week. It helps me reach a goal of staying healthy without too much stress on my body.
So here's a simple cheat sheet then for you. When you're talking about sports and physical activity, we use those 3 verbs play, do, and go. The general rule is we use play with ball sports like basketball, football, golf. We play those. So I play basketball or I love playing tennis. We use do with individual sports. Things like karate or yoga or maybe tai chi. Those kinds of sports are individual. They're not games necessarily that you play with other people. So we do yoga, or I could say I do tai chi every morning. And the third one is go. Go is used with ing verbs. So we might go swimming, go dancing even, go jogging, go running, or just go walking. So which one are you? Are you a gym rat
Like me?
or do you prefer a brisk walk in the park? Remember the golden rule. We use play with ball sports, do with individual activities, and we use go with an ing verb. Now I want to hear from you. Seriously, drop a comment below and tell me, what is your routine like? Try to use at least 3 words from this video. I'll be here at my desk replying to as many messages as I can. So if this helped you, then please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos from my channel. Now, I gotta go hit the gym, so I will catch you later. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and a wonderful week. All right, bye-bye.